Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Access 125 and enabling its Bluetooth mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. Next, make sure your phone or headset has Bluetooth turned on and is discoverable within 3 meters. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for devices. The Access 125 should appear with a clear name. If prompted, enter the PIN printed on the unit or default 0000. This initial handshake establishes the secure link required for audio and control. After pairing, select Access 125 from your phone's device list and tap Connect. The phone will negotiate profiles like A2DP for media or HFP for calls. Make sure the Access 125 is set to the correct role in its settings. Some units require switching between receiver and headset modes. Once connected, adjust volume and audio routing on the phone and device. Setting Access 125 as a trusted or priority device ensures automatic reconnect. If latency isn't to finish, play audio and make a quick call to verify the microphone and speaker work reliably. Watch for dropouts for 2 to 3 minutes. If the connection doesn't hold, power cycle both devices and remove any stale pairings from the phone, then repair. If problems persist, perform a Bluetooth module reset on the Access 125 to clear caches and previous bonds. One key troubleshooting tip: interference from other 4 GHz devices can cause drops, so move away or disable competing transmitters while testing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.